lean, she went to Gucci. I ride with some hundreds on.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on Boxycharm. This is the box. So this is my second time filming this because I could not talk in the last filming that I did. So I just decided to redo this video. That's why the box is already open. So Boxycharm is a subscription. It's a monthly subscription. I believe they have different sizes boxes, different sizes that you pay monthly. I have the base box. I'm thinking that it's another Boxy Luxe. I did sign up for Boxy Luxe. I think it was $50, but I heard that it's a $35 one. I will have details in the description box because I'm going to go back later on and get the exact facts. So anywho, Boxycharm sends out this card, and each package it's supposed to send out a card and supposed to show you the pricing of each item. I recently just signed back up for Boxycharm, so they gave me a promo code to get an extra palette, and I got this palette right here. This is the Volley Voss. I don't know what it retails for because it's not included on this card, but it's a very, very pretty pastel palette. I cannot wait to use these colors. Oh my goodness. Volley Voss has some good quality eyeshadows, and I just cannot wait to dip into this palette. I did get another palette that is part of April's subscription. It is called, I'm going to butcher the name, so I'm going to apologize ahead. It's called the Zoeva eyeshadow. It retails for $28. I have not tried this brand before, so I'm very, ooh, okay. This just came out. It's all good. I'm not picky at all. As long as it didn't break or get all over my clothes, we're all good, okay? So I'm going to try to let you see the color of the eyeshadow. Hopefully it don't fall out. Can you guys see the colors? Oh, goodness. Okay, let me just put it back up. I don't want to break it because that's a shade that I would want to use. So let's put that back up. Yeah. So next item is the Pore Professional Pore Primer. This is by Benefit. This retails for $32. Can you guys see that? And I really do need this. I have large pores like right here, and I have to always put extra concealer just to make it look jazzy. So next, I got eyeshadow brushes, not eyeshadow brushes, but makeup brushes. This is by Lavish. It's a 5-piece neon. This retails for $29. I'm gonna see if I can kind of scoop them out. Oh, one comes with a spoolie. That's nice. So it's these brushes right here, neon, retails for $29. And what is the next item at? Oh, right here. So this is the iconic, let me catch my breath, London Illuminator. This is a, what did this do actually? It can be added to your foundation, primer, and moisturizer. Oh, so it gives you like a highlighted glow. Oh, I don't know if that's going to work on my skin. I have oily skin, so I'm not sure if I want to try that. Probably on a day that I'm bored or something. But this retails for $41. So you put it under, you can add it to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer. It's just going to give you an added glow to your skin. So this one is not on this list, so I'm just going to show you, just going to tell you the name of it. So this is the Batinton Lashes. This is the box. Oh my goodness, my camera is like blocking it out. These are the lashes. Not my cup of tea at all. I like dramatic lashes. I don't know the price of them because it's literally not on my sheet that tells me what I got in my box. So So that is it when it comes to the Boxycharm box for the month of April. Overall, this box is, in my honest opinion, it's all right. It's all right. The only thing I'm excited about was just getting this free eyeshadow palette. So I'm really happy to get that. So that's partly why I'm excited. But overall, besides getting this palette, it's all right. Yeah, it's all right, honestly. Yeah. So I'm gonna conclude this video. I don't want to ramble, but please let me know if you liked it, your Boxycharm, or if you're thinking about signing up. Remember, I'm going to try to put information in the description box to make sure I got accurate information on how it's going to be working. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay productive, and yeah, love you loves. Bye.